Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to pause notifications on YouTube Studio. First, open the YouTube Studio app or website on your phone or computer. If you're on a computer, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, select Notifications. Here, you'll see various notification settings, and you can toggle off the types of notifications you want to pause, like comments, video updates, or activity notifications. If you're using the YouTube Studio mobile app, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, and then choose Notifications. From there, you can disable or pause specific notifications that you don't want to receive. And that's it. You've successfully paused notifications on YouTube Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel